Hey guys, today we will be making sugar-free banana blueberry oatmeal pancakes. To start off, you will need one red banana and you will mash this very well. Feel free to also use a fork. Then I will add one egg and use a whisk to break it apart. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of honey, and then add 2 tablespoons of milk. Finally, for the wet ingredients, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of old-fashioned oats, and then 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Then add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries and then use a flexible spatula to mix it in so you don't break them. So now you move into the pan and on low-medium heat, you will put in a few spoons of the batter. You should let that cook for about 5 minutes and make sure it cooks all the way because otherwise it's very hard to flip. And now cook it for another 4 minutes. Do this with the rest of the batter. Now here we have our pancake. I'm going to serve it with 3 raspberries and a little bit of honey on top. I'm using a knife and I'm going to cut it and then eat it. It's delicious and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.